In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete account on Skyscanner. By the end, you'll know exactly where the option lives and what to expect when you confirm deletion, so you can wrap things up with confidence. Keep in mind, deleting your account removes your saved items and preferences, and you'll be signed out on any devices where you were logged in. Start by opening your browser and going to skyscanner.com. Depending on your location, you might be redirected to a regional version of the site, and that's perfectly fine. The process is the same. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to delete. If you're not already signed in, look to the top right area of the page to log in before continuing. On the right-hand side of the Skyscanner homepage, look for your profile area. This is typically shown as your profile photo, your initials in a small circle, or a user icon. It sits along the top navigation bar and opens your account menu. Click your profile to open the menu, then choose Account. This takes you to your profile and account settings. Here, you may see sections for personal details, preferences, or notifications. We're focused on the account area where the deletion option is located. Within the account page, scroll until you find Delete Account. It's usually near the bottom, clearly labeled so you can't miss it. Take a moment here to consider whether you want to download any travel details or note any price alerts before you proceed, because these won't be available after deletion. Click Delete Account. Skyscanner will display a confirmation screen to make sure you intend to proceed. This safeguard helps prevent accidental deletions and gives you one last chance to review what you'll lose, like saved flights, saved searches, and alert settings. Bookings you made with airlines or travel providers won't be canceled here, because those are managed directly with the provider, not inside your Skyscanner account. When you're ready, confirm by selecting Yes, Delete. You may be asked to verify your choice or confirm your identity, depending on your setup, so just follow any on-screen prompts. After a moment, your account will be deleted and you'll be signed out. If you change your mind later, you'll need to create a new account from scratch. That's it. Quick, clear, and done. If something doesn't look the same on your side, try refreshing the page or checking that you're logged into the correct account. And if you're using the mobile app, the option appears in your profile settings as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you close your Skyscanner account smoothly.